Hi, it's Emily from WTI. I'm here to tell you about my favorite grocery bags. Why would I have a favorite grocery bag? That's probably what you're asking. Well, you haven't tried these insulated 2-pack from the Bodaon store. These are super large capacity. They hold a ton. They keep your food cold, frozen food cold as you're trying to transport it home, which is great if you have a whole lot of errands to run. And we now live in a town where they charge you for your grocery bags. So these have saved us some money in the long run because we've used these for years. And they actually just make life so much more convenient. They stack up nicely in the cart. When you're done with them, they stack nicely inside each other. They're nice solid color, so they're nondescript in the back of your car. They keep things much more organized and they make me feel a lot more put together, to be honest. Plus, the extra large capacity is great because we all know it's the ultimate win if you can take all of your groceries in from the car in one trip. Well, these bags have made that dream a reality for us because they hold a lot and yet the zippers and handles are really sturdy. So we've been able to carry several in at once and get all of our groceries in at once. I really love these bags because I feel like they're really convenient and they've helped us reduce our carbon footprint and, reduce our waste. By reusing these grocery bags, like I said, for several years, we've really cut down on the number of plastic and paper grocery bags that we waste every year. I think they're a great investment, they've paid off, and we just really enjoy using them. And that's my point of view.